I am Sarthak Singh from class 12 Science.
I am Dhama from class 12 Science.
I am Gaurav Kaushik from class 12 Science.
We are the students of New Era School, Ghaziabad.
Many dream of becoming a small business owner as it offers more independence, autonomy, and creativity. The fact is, some small business always thrive, no matter what the climate. Only thing stopping them is not able to set them up online.
Virtual Assistant Services is a dynamic business dedicated to providing comprehensive administrative support to entrepreneurs, small businesses, and busy professionals. Our mission is to enhance productivity and efficiency by offering tailored virtual solutions that address the unique needs of each client.
On our website, we provide online help and services like project management, social media management, email marketing, and customer service at a cost of rupees 299 to rupees 899 only. So please check it out and visit our website. It will be really helpful for you and for us too.